Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Roblox account and making sure your email is verified. This proves ownership and lets you recover access. Once done, open account settings and locate security. You need either an authenticator app, like Google Authenticator, or a phone that can receive SMS codes. The app is more secure. Make sure 2 devices are charged and online. Now navigate to the 2-step verification section so you can add a second factor immediately. Don't skip verification. You'll now enable 2-step verification from security. Choose Authenticator for stronger protection. Scan the QR code with your app and enter the 6-digit code Roblox shows to confirm. If you prefer SMS, select it and enter the code sent to your phone. Once accepted, Roblox will display backup codes. Print or save them in a secure password manager and not in plain notes. Make sure to test signing out and back in so you confirm the setup works for your account and devices. You finish by testing a full sign out and sign in, entering the authenticator code or SMS code when prompted. This proves everything is active. If you can't get a code, use one of the saved backup codes or the email recovery option. Those are your safety net. If neither works, double-check the time sync on your Authenticator app and phone. Incorrect time causes failures. Finally, contact Roblox support only after confirming you tried backups and email recovery, and explain steps you already took.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.